So it is with joy. Take it now to get it in its entirety. To defer until some other occasion is to get less of it, at the same cost. Today, whatever may annoy, the word for it is joy. Just simple joy. The joy of life, the joy of children and of wife, the joy of bright blue skies, the joy of rain, the glad surprise of twinkling stars that shine at night, the joy of winged things upon their flight, the joy of noonday and the tried, true joyousness of eventide, the joy of labor and of mirth, the joy of air and sea and earth, the countless joys that ever flow from Him, whose vast beneficence doth dim the lustrous light of day, and lavish gifts divine upon our way. Whatever there be of sorrow, I'll put off till tomorrow, and when tomorrow comes, why then 'twill be today, and joy again.